VDAM Basics, 1-minute setup. The first 60 seconds of this video has not been sped up. First, we log in with a brand new user and VDAM sets up a trial workspace for us. We will skip the metadata generation flow and we'll go straight to connectors. We'll pick Google Drive and we'll add a new connector. Let's give it access. Next, we need to pick the folder within Google Drive that VDAM will work with. We get the URL for that folder and then paste it in, and we're done 1 minute. I told you we could get set up in 1 minute, didn't I? All we need to do now is let VDAM's AI intelligence look through the assets and apply automatic tagging and advanced metadata. Now let's skip ahead, because we don't want to stare at spinning circles all day. While we're waiting for assets to get augmented with AI metadata, let's take a look at the preferences. You can set if you prefer light or dark mode, or follow the system that you're on. You can pick your different views, such as justified grid or masonry, which is like Pinterest, or square view or list view. You can set the different columns that are shown when you're in list view, and you can also have custom metadata here as well. You can show the card info or not. This is what shows up on the lower third of each asset card. When you're in justified grid or masonry or square view, you can determine if the search confidence badge is set. This is a number from 1 to 100 that tells you how confident VDAM is that it matches your search. You can choose if you want to turn on voice input trigger on mobile. We'll do a video on that in the future. That's a really nice way to interact with VDAM. You can choose if you want to turn off the logout animation. I think it's quite nice, but if you want to turn it off, that's your option. You can also choose which fields display on the card view. And again, custom metadata can be displayed here as well. Assets are still processing. Let's log out and log back in. Now that we have some assets processed, you'll see our welcome screen has a nice background consisting of your assets that VDAM has processed already. And we have a very simple prompt bar interface. Let's show all assets. While we're here and still waiting for assets to process, let's look at some of the metadata in the asset detail view. This metadata was generated automatically for you. No one manually typed it in. The description, the photographic description, the keywords, the objects, the colors. It's all tagged for you automatically, and this is just standard metadata. If you wanted to use a custom metadata schema, which really makes this powerful, VDAM makes it very easy for you to set it up all by yourself. If you're interested in that, and you should be, you can see the VDAM Basics videos on those. Here, we can go into full view to see the asset without any noise or distraction, and you can go left and right to advance straight to the next ones. If you wanted to minimize the prompt bar, you can long click onto it, and it'll minimize into a little V icon down to the lower right corner. To bring it back, just click on the minimized V icon. When we're in Asset Detail View, you can search for metadata. Just like here, we can search for the word sari and locate where it is in the metadata. Processing assets does take time because we are applying a lot of AI techniques. So, while we're waiting, let's look at another common feature that people use. You can turn on filters and you can go into List View, and you can filter by folder. These are the folders within the connector folder that you chose. A lot of times when you're working and uploading into Dropbox or Google Drive, you'll organize your uploads into folders naturally. So it makes sense to be able to see what's in these folders in VDAM. This video was obviously more than 1 minute, but we did set up VDAM within a minute, and the rest is just waiting for the AI to finish up its work. Thank you.